I'm Armand, and I just got my motorcycle license. I bought a bike and I decided to ride it from Brittany in France all the way to Morocco. So honestly, I think I was the least equipped rider in all Morocco at that time. My bike is a Triumph Scrambler 900, so typically the kind of bike that a hipster is going to take on the weekend. And usually people opt more for an adventure bike, which is a bigger bike, like a GS. Just like Yop, for example, that I met in Chefchaouen. However, my goal wasn't about performance. It wasn't about racing, it wasn't about extreme off-roading, climbing trees like Voltares. It was about just simply the freedom to explore, ride long distances and take in beautiful landscapes. So even if this Triumph isn't a serious off-road machine, for me its low center of gravity and seat make it a much easier bike to handle in mid-off-road conditions compared to a larger, heavier and taller adventure bike. And it looks awesome. I didn't really bother either with fancy luggage like Lone Rider. I just strapped a 40-liter waterproof M1993 backpack to the back of my bike and a tent. And I was good to go. It's not fancy, but it works, and that's all that matters for a trip like this. I didn't need much gear anyway, just enough to camp, make a fire and sleep. And if you want comfort, just get a car. By the way, I wasn't really on holiday. I actually have a little online business to run. So apart from this being my first real road trip, the biggest challenge was figuring out how to stay mobile and connected while traveling, so I could actually keep working. Thankfully, most of my daily work is automated, so I was pretty good. And I always had great company. Although the internet usually sucks, but you get good Wi-Fi in hostels sometimes. This trip was also an excuse to test my equipment and myself, as I'm planning bigger trips this year. And this trip taught me a lot. That solitude is part of the beauty, camping alone, cooking my own meals, enjoying the silence, even if sometimes it's nice to share a meal with strangers, especially when you get invited. Also, locals will always be there to give you a hand or help you with directions. And you're gonna meet other bikers who will want to try your bike. And of course you're gonna want to try their bike. I also learned that in addition to the sense of freedom that riding a motorcycle gives you, you feel everything. The sun hitting your jacket, the cold through the hand of the gloves, the roughness of the road beneath you, the vibrations of the truck passing close by, and of course, the rain. I also got to like the smell of petrol when I start my bike, but I'm still not really used to the smell of grilled kefta and fried food every time I have to go through cities. And riding will make you deaf. Every sound reaches you unfiltered, like the crunch of gravel under your thighs, and above all, the howl of the wind rushing through your helmet. But, nevertheless, I loved it. Anyway, this video and the ones which will follow every week are what's left of this trip. So if you like bikes, wild camping and traveling, you're in the right place.